The daily grind was getting to Priya. Her once promising career in marketing felt stagnant. The skills she had honed seemed outdated in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. Priya yearned for a change, a chance to break free from the monotony and embrace the challenges of the tech industry. But the path forward seemed murky, shrouded in uncertainty. Priya knew she needed to upskill, to acquire the knowledge and expertise that would open doors to new opportunities. She scoured the internet for courses, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of options. Many seemed irrelevant or lacked credibility. Frustration mounted as Priya realized that finding the right training program would be an uphill battle. The weight of her situation pressed down on Priya. Was it even possible to switch careers at this stage? Doubts crept in, threatening to extinguish the flicker of hope that had ignited within her. Priya needed a lifeline, a guiding light to illuminate the path to her dream career in IT. One evening, while researching online, Priya stumbled upon Nucot. The name intrigued her. Nucot. It sounded different, promising. She delved deeper into their website, her skepticism gradually giving way to curiosity. Nucot's course offerings immediately caught Priya's eye. Data science with Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning. These were the buzzwords she had been encountering in her research. It was as if Nucot had curated a curriculum specifically tailored to her aspirations. But it wasn't just the courses that impressed Priya. Nucot's emphasis on practical training and industry-relevant skills resonated deeply with her. The website showcased success stories of individuals who had transformed their careers with Nucot's help. These testimonials, raw and relatable, sparked a renewed sense of hope within Priya. Could Nucot be the answer she had been searching for? Priya decided to take the plunge. She enrolled in Nucot's Data Science with Python course, eager to embark on this transformative journey. From the outset, Priya was struck by the supportive and engaging learning environment at Nucot. The faculty, industry experts with a passion for teaching, went above and beyond to ensure that every student grasped the concepts. Priya thrived in this stimulating atmosphere. The curriculum was challenging yet accessible, blending theoretical knowledge with practical applications. The hands-on projects and real-world case studies allowed Priya to apply her newfound skills in a meaningful way, solidifying her understanding and building her confidence. Beyond the classroom, Nucot provided invaluable career guidance and support. Mock interviews, resume-building workshops, and networking sessions equipped Priya with the tools she needed to navigate the competitive IT job market. Nucot wasn't just about training, it was about empowering individuals to succeed in their chosen fields. Destination: success. Armed with her newly acquired skills and Nucot's unwavering support, Priya confidently ventured into the job market. It wasn't long before she received an interview call from a leading data analytics firm. The interview process was rigorous, testing both her technical knowledge and her ability to articulate her understanding. Priya, however, was unfazed. She had honed her skills under the guidance of industry experts, and her passion for data science shone through. She aced the interview, receiving an offer for a data analyst position shortly after. Priya was ecstatic. Her journey with Nucot had culminated in a dream come true. She had successfully transitioned into the thriving field of data science, equipped with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to excel in her new role. Priya's story is a testament to Nucot's transformative power, a shining example of what can be achieved with the right training and support. Your journey starts now. Are you ready to take control of your career and unlock your true potential? Nucot can help you get there. With our industry-relevant courses, experienced faculty, and dedicated placement assistants, you'll be empowered to achieve your professional goals. Don't wait any longer to embark on your own success story. Visit our website at Nucot website address or contact us today to learn more about our courses and how we can help you transform your career. Your future in IT starts now.